let's face it, looks are important. And we're going to let the aesthetics speak for themselves, but there's a couple little things we thought worth pointing out. One is that both ionizers use a flexible hose for dispensing alkaline water. Personally, it's one of my favorite dispensing methods. It's really utilitarian. You can put it where you need to go. You can use it for larger containers. It's just that the Enagic is almost comically large. It's very big, a little gangly. Another thing is that it's coated in this almost sticky, rubberized type material. And we've heard from a lot of their customers that it's really hard to get and keep that clean, especially being white. Stainless steel is much easier to wipe down. Both ionizers have legs to keep the unit raised up off the counter, which is a good thing. It's just the Enagic almost looks like it's up on stilts for some reason. Now, another thing when it comes to looks is, again, installation. The Enagic only comes with this diverter valve. This is the only way that you can install it that's approved to keep your warranty intact. So you're going to have this hanging off your kitchen sink with the tubes and all that. Now, the Vesta H2 also has a diverter, much simpler, better looking diverter. But it also has 3 other installation options. So you can keep that area around your kitchen sink nice and tidy. Now, I know beauty's in the eye of the beholder, but for $5,000, personally, I would have expected a little bit more out of the design.